हेलो 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 हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? आ रही है? आ रही है? आ रही है? जी सर. It's definitely the most challenging role of my career. Characters which are very complex in the mind.
Yeah.
And those are the characters I think which are the most difficult to portray. And Heather is that kind of a character.
Do we have like a conflict between you and Heather as well?
Okay, now I think I'll have to use that line. You'll have to wait to watch the movie because there are a lot of conflicts in this film, a lot, and from many angles.
If people want to make it a controversy, then anything can become a controversy. But I think this is a film which has Kashmir as a backdrop, and essentially it's a family drama.
Working with Tabu ma'am, KK sir, Shahid, Irfan sir, and it's a Vishal Bharadwaj film.
दिल की गर सुनो तो है, दिमाग की तो है नहीं, जान लूं कि जान दूं, मैं रहूं कि मैं नहीं. Well, that is Heather's version of To Be or Not To Be, and we have with us Heather or Shahid Kapoor. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood first of all. And is it the most significant role of your career?
पहले मैं एक काम कर लूँ. हेलो 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 हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? आ रही है? आ रही है? आ रही है? जी सर.
Yeah, so will you call it the most significant role of your career?
It's definitely the most challenging role of my career. Whether it's
Why do you say that?
As an actor, I find it the most complex part to play. You know, because there are characters that you get to play which require you to just be natural and charming. Then you get characters to play which require you to have a physical transformation, but you can still perform them in and around yourself. And then you have characters which are very complex in the mind.
Yeah.
And those are the characters I think which are the most difficult to portray. And Heather is that kind of a character, and I've not really played a character like that before. I mean, I've changed myself and I've tried to make myself different in every film. But somebody who's as complex as Heather is very, very difficult. I mean, if you look at even the looks, you'll see that it goes from a very soft look to almost a mad kind of, a vibe.
Right.
So to achieve that graph was very challenging. Right. So definitely the most challenging role of my career. Whether the most, what was the word that you used? Significant.
Significant, yeah.
I think that will get
National
defined.
award type मतलब looking forward कर रहे हैं आप?
I don't think anybody thinks of those things seriously. I don't really think of them seriously. But I've never been asked this question before, so I guess कुछ तो अच्छा लग रहा होगा लोगों को.
I've seen a few of the songs right now. So
You have seen some footage. Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome. What do you think?
As you said, it's very, very complex, and if you just take the reference of the play, then Hamlet does have those mad moments as well,
Yeah.
which adds to the entire. And after seeing the footage, जो आपके looks हैं and various shades of the mind, and it's very, very interesting as well. Tabu is playing your stepmom.
No, she's my mom. I don't know why people think she's my stepmom.
Because that's what everyone's saying, that it's just because in the play as well, she's the mom.
Yeah, she's his real mother.
Yeah, because everywhere it is.
In this film?
Even the Wikipedia says it's stepmom.
Really? That's strange. We should change that.
Yeah, I think
that's
we should.
The wrong information. No, because she's playing my mother. There's no confusion about her being my stepmother. No.
The father of the girl is Polonius, and he has I think a key sort of role as well in terms of, in a way, the bridge between Hamlet and Ophelia. Do we have that element as well?
Let me just say that
hold my horses. I should hold my horses.
No, I mean, see, people will say ना कि तुम picture के लिए wait करो and तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा and all. I could tell you that also, but just the way that Vishal sir has, as I said, कि he's given me Arshia and Horatio together, and at the same time there are certain things, so you may not see each and every character that was there in the original. In this, you will probably, without divulging too much information, see that overall it's largely adapted by Hamlet, but why it's been tweaked and how it's been tweaked for our Indian audience will make sense to you.
Because why I'm asking is that in the play, I won't reveal exactly what Hamlet does to Polonius, that is Ophelia's father. But because of that, there ought to be a conflict between Ophelia and Hamlet as well. So do we have like a conflict between you and Heather as well?
Okay, now I think I'll have to use that line. You'll have to wait to watch the movie because there are a lot of conflicts in this film, a lot, and from many angles.
Okay, and you have this dialogue, I've loved you more than my life. So why is saying that loved you in a typical sense?
I've loved you more than my life.
Is it Kashmiri
yes.
in a way? Yeah.
They have a beautiful way of speaking. the Kashmiris over there, and Vishal sir made sure, and he was extremely particular about it on set as well, the language of where we come from. So he said that there has to be no misinterpretation. You have to give a solid representation of where you come from and what background you come from. So that reflects purely in the way that all our characters are speaking. We're all Kashmiri, and we have tried our best to speak in that dialect.
A lot is being said about the entire fact that you guys have delved into the insurgency element of the Kashmir element, and it can be quite controversial as well, because the guy who has written the screenplay, Basharat Peer, so he's a Kashmiri himself.
Sure.
So what kind of reactions are you guys anticipating, because it's a touchy subject. Kashmir is a very touchy subject.
Sure. कई फिल्में बनी हैं कश्मीर के ऊपर, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि फिल्में नहीं बनी हैं. So I think if people want to make it a controversy, then anything can become a controversy. But I think this is a film which has Kashmir as a backdrop, and essentially it's a family drama. So eventually, when you see the film, it becomes about human relationships and their journey. Of course, the backdrop is Kashmir, and I think it's a great backdrop for a film like Hamlet. I think it's a great thought that Vishal sir had of placing a film like this.
And I think
there.
picturized beautifully.
Yeah, I mean, this is
the songs right now picturized beautifully,
and everything is there. Like the whole film is shot in Kashmir, so it's definitely a different experience for people. When I read the script, I didn't feel uncomfortable, and it's actually the message of the film, which you will, when you walk out of the film, is much larger than all these things. Actually, what it's saying is at a humanitarian level, at a human level. Why should there be borders? We are all one. I mean, certain messages are much above a lot of other things.
Right.
So to me, the message of the film was very important. And to communicate the message of a film, you need to take people through a certain journey so they feel what the character feels.
Absolutely.
And they feel the pain.
The relationship that he shares with Ophelia.
Sure.
Now here it is Arshia and Shraddha is playing that. That is very complex as well. Complex in the sense that it's not the regular love story. Because whatever perceptions he has had because of the betrayal that he feels.
Yes.
Because of his mom, because of his mother, somewhere that brings into his relationship with the Ophelia as well, and that is, I think, a very intrinsic and important part of the entire theme as well. Somewhere.
Yeah, what Vishal sir has done is that he has made Arshiya's character a mixture of two characters, Ophelia and Horatio. Horatio was Hamlet's confidant. He was his friend who he could confide in. Ophelia was his love interest. Those two characters have become Arshiya now. So हैदर की जिंदगी में अगर कोई भी ऐसी रिलेशनशिप है जहाँ पर वो अपनी वल्नरेबिलिटी दिखा सकता है या खुलकर अपनी फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है, तो वो ओफिलिया के साथ है. तो वो सिर्फ वो टिपिकल आंखें मिली और प्यार हो गया टाइप लव स्टोरी टाइप रोमांस नहीं है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लेयर्स टू इट बिकॉज शी इज बाय हिज साइड एट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम. एंड आई थिंक आम जिंदगी में भी प्यार जब होता है तो हमेशा प्यार स्ट्रॉन्ग तभी होता है व्हेन समबडी स्टैंड्स बाय यू, वेदर इट्स विद एनीबडी, यू नो. जब कोई भी रिश्ते की स्ट्रेंथ तभी आती है जब दे स्टैंड बाय यू एट अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम और यू स्टैंड बाय देम एट अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम. आपकी रिलेशनशिप नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जाती है. तो वो डेफिनेटली इंटरप्रिटेशन है. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ films Vishal sir makes. Real filमें, real relationships, real human emotions, black and white नहीं, single dimensional नहीं. Hey we're all happy, oh we're all sad. आम जिंदगी में हम एक ही दिन के अंदर खुश भी होते हैं, दुखी भी होते हैं, खफा भी होते हैं, हजारों थॉट्स हमारे मन से गुजरते हैं. तो उनकी फिल्में जो हैं वो उसको डिपिक्ट करती हैं, और ये जो रोमांस है इस फिल्म के अंदर वो भी उस तरह का रोमांस.
It's a complex role, and how was your experience of just coming to terms with it, because it has many layers to it.
And when you have Vishal sir also, you know ki his films are layered. The kind of movies that he's directed in the past also, you know that it's not something very straight in your face.
Right.
There are conflicting emotions involved. There are complex characters involved. There are complex situations involved as well. So automatically the film requires that the characters also become that. They become characters who imbibe those conflicting emotions as well. But yeah, rightly said so, as you said that as my 5th film to work with Vishal sir, I know that a lot of people who will even be watching this now, and a lot of people also who will be watching the film will be thinking and believing that, you know, I would kill to be in Shraddha's place right now. She's getting to work with Vishal sir. I remind myself every day, actually. I was doing that during shoot Kashmir mein. I would pinch myself every day.
Right.
That, you know, you are working with Tabu ma'am, KK sir, Shahid, Irfan sir, and it's a Vishal Bharadwaj film. Aside from the fact that yes, it is a layered character, just the way that all the other characters are in the film, they are layered.
Absolutely.
My character's name is Arshia, and she's the mix of Ophelia and Horatio from Hamlet.
Right.
Vishal sir has mixed both the characters and made it one, and that's Arshia, and that's me.
This is Keshi from Perth, Australia. Favorite song from Haider album?
अरे आओ ना के जहाँ गई जहाँ गया सो जाओ, because it's the interpretation of a grave digger telling people that death might just be better than life.
सब्र ले लो, खबर ले लो.
हाँ, क्योंकि लाइफ में तो कितने स्ट्रेस होते हैं और कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. आओ कब्र में आके सो जाओ. It's more peaceful. It's the most amazing interpretation.
And Gulzar Saab has written it like. Arpita Sharma, please share the experience of working with Tabu, Irfan and KK. KK plays your
Petrified,
Claudius.
scared. Yeah, so in the beginning you feel a bit intimidated by the kind of people that you're standing in the middle of, because they're all phenomenal actors. And after that it becomes, you know, like any other journey. I mean, you have to be those people and play those characters. But you learn so much, you know, just to stand with them in the same frame and interact with them and get to see how they do their work. It's a hugely enriching experience. So, and I think it's something which benefits you for many years to come. I would say that it was really a learning experience working with them.
Great. One word to describe Shraddha as co-star. June from Singapore.
Shraz. I call her Shraz. She's a really fun girl. And I've actually known her since before we did this film together. We've kind of known each other and stuff. I know her brother. So I'm really happy for her, you know, because the last year has been amazing for her. And she's very important in this film. And I think this film is very important for her because we've seen her in a certain light. And this film is presenting her completely differently from how she's been presented before. It's very important for an actor to be showcased in different ways for directors and for the audience to view them and say, oh, this person can do this as well. So yeah, so I think people will really take notice of her as an actor after this film. Yeah, she's awesome.
Fan asked that how would you rate Shraddha, in fact, that how would you rate Shahid as a co-star? So I'll tell you what she rated you out of 1 out of 10. So if you have, in fact, she asked me to just ask him as well. Out of 1 out of 10, if you have to rate Shraddha Kapoor as a co-star, how much would you rate her as?
I rate her pretty high because we had quite a bit of fun on the film. I would give it like a 8.5.
8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
And she gave you 10 out of 10. So now I just know how she'll react to your...
Can we record this?
That's... Alright, this is... interesting one. Arpita Sharma, how was it seeing yourself bald?
I loved it, man. I remember the first day I went bald. So we were in Kashmir and it was really cold. And I remember standing under the shower and feeling this amazing feeling of water falling straight on your head. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like I never had water fall straight on my head. It was so awesome. And it was so relaxing that I actually wanted to stay bald for a while because it just felt so nice.
Right.
But I couldn't because I had to get back to other things in life. And I actually, you know, in this film, we actually had just 1 day of shooting for the bald look.
Yeah, yes.
And I sat at home for 4 months to grow my hair back for that 1 day of shooting. And we could have easily done it with prosthetics. But, you know, Haider is a film which deserves your blood. So if in this context it deserved my hair.
जो आपका जो scene है that hello, hello, hello. A lot is being said that you're having that transistor and now you're having competition with PK actually. So
yeah, you know, I noticed that. It was so strange that it's the same transistor. Even I noticed that. And I told these guys, अरे यार, it's the same transistor. लेकिन हमारी फिल्म पहले रिलीज हो रही है. Okay. You know, that was honestly the first thought कि हमारी फिल्म पहले आ रही है. It's okay. But I mean, PK is PK, and I actually tweeted about PK because I think it's the film that I'm looking forward to the most this year.
Right.
That motion poster was killer. Right. And yeah, man, let's do stuff. Let's do interesting stuff. Let's do different stuff. And PK looks like a huge film which is going out there to try and do something different. And that makes me feel very proud.